Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to effectively manage project deadlines using Zoho Project, your ultimate guide for 2025. First, log into your Zoho Project account. This is your command center where you'll manage your project deadlines. It's crucial to always ensure that you are logged into your account to keep your projects organized and up to date. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Task module. Here, you'll see all your tasks at a glance. The reason we start here is because this module allows you to set and track task deadlines, which impacts your overall project deadline. Next up, assign deadlines to each task. Click on a task, set a due date, and save. This helps us because it ensures each task is time-bound, keeping your project on track. Having done that, let's use the Gantt chart view. This is a visual timeline of all your tasks and their deadlines. It's essential because it helps you see the overall timeline and how your tasks fit into it, which is vital for efficient project management. Now, let's set up deadline reminders. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and customize your alerts. The reason we do this is to ensure you or your team never miss a deadline. Timely reminders ensure that work progresses smoothly without any hiccups. Lastly, monitor your project closely. Regular monitoring helps you identify if any tasks are falling behind schedule so you can take corrective action immediately. This is fundamentally important as it ensures your project stays on track. And that's it. That's how you manage project deadlines in Zoho Project. Remember, effective deadline management is the key to successful project outcomes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.